AI tools are software or platforms that use artificial intelligence to perform various tasks, such as automation, analysis, generation, and interaction. There are many AI tools available for different purposes and domains. Here are 5 examples of AI tools that you can try for free. TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning platform for everyone. You can use TensorFlow to build and train your own models, or use pre-trained models for various applications. MLKit, a tool that brings Google's machine learning expertise to mobile developers in a powerful yet easy-to-use package through Firebase. You can use MLKit to add features such as face detection, text recognition, barcode scanning, and image labeling to your apps. Dataset Search, a tool that enables users to find datasets stored in thousands of repositories across the web, making these datasets universally accessible and useful for everyone. You can use Dataset Search to discover data for your research or projects. PixArt AI Writer, a tool that generates marketing copy, slogans, product descriptions, LinkedIn headlines, Instagram captions, and more. ChatGPT-3, a tool that lets you chat with an AI-powered conversational agent that uses GPT-3, a state-of-the-art language model.